Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, you see here there's like an arrow with a circle around it. If we click that, brings the screen up. The first time you use it, you probably have to click the screen just to confirm that you're not going to allow yourself to get distracted by the sat-nav, and confirm their disclaimer. You see there the screens come up. If we click that again, you've got where to, map view, favourites, information. Also, if you're on home, it's showing you here Cudell Lane. That's telling me where I am at the moment. But if we click that again, it brings that screen back up. So I want to put our destination in. If we click that again, it's showing where to, map view, favourites, information. So we click where to. Address and postcode. We'll enter postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. The Land Rover system defaults to numbers, not all of them do. This is a very, very good and simple to use system. So PR54, again, we've only got 2 digits in our postcode. Some sat-nav systems, if there's only 2 digits, you have to put a space in, not so on the Land Rover. So we're PR54, JS. It's come up PR54JS at the top. Even though you've just typed it in, you've still got to click that. It's giving me options, avoid and save, and that's the route there. Just click yes.
Please follow the road for 1.6 miles.
That's it. That's how you set it. Very, very easy system. A real good system. When you get near enough your home, or you're fed up with listening to interrupting the news program, you just press the button again and click stop guidance. That's it done.